Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach a lesson, Fire and Ice. It has been composed by Robert Frost. As you know, Robert Frost is a very famous American poet. He wrote several poems and essays, drama, short notes, etc. Fire and Ice, a poem which tells us what is happening now, what is going to happen. In this poem, at the beginning, the poet thinks that the age of this would end with the fire, and some people think that the age of the whole world destroyed by ice. So here the poet used some symbolic word, fire and ice. Fire, that means a hard desire to do anything. Suppose Hitler has hard desire to fought, but unfortunately he died. And ice, that means a calm, that means you are serious, you are so simple. So here poet used two poetic device, fire and ice. And at last some people think that this world would end with the ice. ये लोगों का मानना है कि ये जो दुनिया है बर्फ़ से समाप्त हो जाएगी, चारों तरफ बर्फ़ हो जाएगी और हमारी दुनिया समाप्त हो जाएगी। और कुछ लोगों का ये मानना है कि आग बरसेगी चारों तरफ और ये दुनिया समाप्त हो जाएगी। तो रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट द्वारा जो लिखी गई ये कविता है, ये अपने आप में बहुत कुछ कहती है। यहाँ फायर एंड आइस का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आग ही है या बर्फ़ ही है। यहाँ फायर एंड आइस, फायर मीन्स अ हार्ड डिज़ायर टू डू एनीथिंग. That means when a person has decided to do a particular thing, he thinks that come what may, everything, what would happen, है ना, he definitely would do. So this story belongs to a Fire and Ice, written by Robert Frost. This is our brief summary of this lesson, Fire and Ice. Thank you.